Hello everybody, welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie and today we're going to be talking about the makeup eraser. I'm going to tell you what this is, how it works, and we're going to see if it works, and then I'm going to give you my review. So if you want to know more about this, just keep watching. As always here on Southeast by Midwest, before we talk about the products, we always disclose. And the disclosure for this video and corresponding blog post is there's nothing to disclose. So let's jump on in. The makeup eraser, what is it? The makeup eraser is basically this piece of fabric that has this like binding on it. And this is like the, big size one. And some of them come with print. Some of them are like a solid pink, purple, black, whatever you want on it. And I picked up the flamingo one, and basically you're supposed to be able to get this wet and it will pull off all of your makeup with no cleanser. Great, right? Alright, so before you do that, actually this has already been pre-prepped. What you do is when you get your bag or your little rectangle container, you wash and dry this according to the instructions on the thing, which is machine wash, warm, delicate, and then tumble dry on low. So that is what I have done. Now I'm going to send this off with Travis to wet this with some warm water. Here we go. There you go. He's going to go wet that with some warm water. And we're going to talk a little bit more about this. So basically, this is, you can remove waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. It's reusable, machine washable, and lasts 3 to 5 years. Wet the portion of the makeup eraser, drenched wet, use warm water. Gently rub off makeup in a circular motion, then flip the eraser on the long nap side to exfoliate. We're going to say this is the soft side and this is the nap side because this is a little bit more rougher. So here we go. Remember, circular motions. Well, it really is dirty. Alright, it pulled off the eye makeup, and you can actually see where it pulled off the mascara really well. I'll say that it is actually pulling off the foundation a lot better than when I use like a makeup remover wipe. Usually with a makeup remover wipe, it leaves some like residue like right here in my forehead, like it clings to those pores right there. Probably next time I would probably have either myself get it, keep it more wet, or have him not wring it out quite as much. Actually, maybe next time what I would do is actually bring a warm bowl wherever I'm going to be taking off my makeup. This will actually be really good to... I put foundation on my ears. That's why I'm going all over my ears. Okay, now we're going to do the exfoliating part. Let me put my glasses back on and let's talk. Face is clean. Face is bare. You can now see all of my eczema patches. We are dirty AF on there. The other side where I did it after when I was exfoliating, clean though. Nothing came off there. So my thoughts on this. These are constantly on sale on Outlook. Like they just recently had one. I've seen them on TJ Maxx. You can get them on the Makeup Eraser website for like 20 bucks. Get these. You're gonna save so much money. Seriously, to take off all of my makeup at the end of the night is usually minimum 2 makeup remover wipes, and that's from my favorite makeup brand, which is the Neutrogena. I love either the original wipes, which come in the little blue plastic tub, I get those all the time, or the hydrating ones. I love these, and they are the ones that work the best for me besides the Purity ones and besides Ole Henriksen ones. They work really well for me. But drugstore wise, these work the best. They take off everything, but it still takes several, and it takes several of the Purity and it takes several of the Ole Henriksen ones as well. This literally took like one cloth. I probably could have kept it confined to this upper area and then had this other half to use for the next time, but I can just toss this in the washing machine or wash it by hand if I wanted to. and then toss it in the dryer or hang it up to dry and be able to turn around and use this again tomorrow. This is amazing and well worth the money. I'm gonna wind up saving so much on makeup remover wipes, like I just said. So I highly suggest going to get this. This is amazing. It is not a gimmick. It is not a fluke. Go pick this up right now. Like, stop what you're doing and go purchase this online. Link will be down below. Go run to a store, go run to a TJ Maxx. I don't care where you go, but go try to find you one of these. You need it. Hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. It really does help. Make sure to follow me on the social media link down below so you don't miss anything. Also, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Leave me a comment down below telling me if you've tried the makeup eraser. If you did it work for you? If you didn't, did you think this was a gimmick until you saw? I mean, look, no makeup. So leave me a comment down below, and until next time, bye.